All right, welcome back to the Conrad Supis Crypto Show. For today's Whiteboard Wednesday, we're going over what is HODL. So let's start to break this thing down. What does HODL stand for? Are you a HODLer? Can you become a HODLer? And why is HODLing applicable? So to start it off, we're going to break down what HODLing stands for. HODL stands for hold on for dear life. I can draw while looking at the camera. HODL. So the idea is that you don't panic when the price of cryptocurrency goes down. You don't get too excited when it goes up. Let me compare this to another example we see in today's real world. Famous MMA superstar Conor McGregor has bought 2 Gucci minks. He currently has them in a freezer. He says they're not for himself to enjoy. They're an investment for his kids and his grandkids to pay for something in the future. Similar is the idea of Bitcoin. Bitcoin hodling is you buy Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency, you don't sell it, and you hold on for dear life because instead of trying to trade and time the market, you just hold on and know that it will go up over time. So, how is this applicable in real life? Well, I consider myself somewhat of a hodler. I hold cryptocurrency. I don't think that selling it in the short or try to short it will get me more money. I simply hold on to it and see that the value is going to increase. The one thing about hodling, though, let's just say you're looking at the markets, you see a little dip, you think now might be the time to buy a little bit more and keep going further. So, how can I become a hodler? Well, it's pretty simple. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open an account at Binance.us. That is going to be step 1 to beginning to hodl. Binance.us, my link is in the description. So, you're going to open an account. You're going to get yourself verified. Get your account put together. Once you get your account put together, pick a cryptocurrency. It could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tezos, whatever it is that really gets you going, pick that cryptocurrency. Buy it and keep putting money into it and hold on for dear life. Thank you. And remember to smash the like button. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at BigTimeBitcoin and subscribe as well and have a great day.